Hello. Today we're going to be looking at my dog. He is the best dog in the world from my perspective. So this is Mr. Doge. Doge? Yes. Yes. He's cute. His name is Kofi. We've had him for 2 years now. I really like him because I just feel so connected to him. In fact, let's see if he wants to do any tricks right now. Okay, scattering the treats. Doge me Doge. Doge me Doge. Doge me Doge, what are you doing? Kofi, treat. Looks like he's doing his business right now. Treat. Okay, sit. Sit.
No.
Sit. Sit.
No.
Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Hold on. Gotta get your treat off. Okay, just take the whole thing. Good boy. See, these things are just so cute. In fact, Kofi is a Shih Tzu. In fact, Shih Tzus have a very royal history. Also, Shih Tzus are lap dogs. This one is just so nice. In fact, when we're going to adopt him, he was actually the biggest out of his brothers and sisters. My dog's birthday is May the 7th.
Huh?
Sorry, May the 23rd. Okay, and I'm just gonna go get the treats. Treats. Kofi? Flu. Kofi. Down. Nope. Sit. 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 Good. Okay. Stay. No. No, 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 no. This is me doing one of his tricks. No. Kofi. No. Oh my gosh. Kofi. Come on, guys. Let the viewers No. No. Ooh. Okay. Good boy. He's just so adorable. Doge me Doge, do you have any words?
No.
Nope. Okay. Shall we go get your ball?
No.
Okay. Yeah, let's go get his ball. Ooh, it's hot out here.
Oh no.
I actually have no idea where his ball is right now. So, sorry folks. Cannot play with his ball. But, however, we can do some fun. Trick or treat. it. Let's see if he can catch it. Oh, hold on. Let's do another trick. Kofi, sit. Pepek. Sit, Pepek. Sit, Pepek. Sit, Pepek. Good boy. Wow. Kofi, you're a real good, gracious dog. Kofi? Find it. Go on. Oh, he found it. Yep, he found it. Kofi, come on. Kofi. Kofi. Okay. That's all we have for today, folks. I hope you had a great time.